Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to go live on Twitch. So simply at first open your Twitch. So at first log in your account, go to your account, click on channel and video. So follow the left side showing you to stream manager, press on and click on to settings, showing you to stream, then you get primary stream key. You just copy this key. Okay, now copy and open your OBS Studio. Okay, click on to plus option to display capture, press on OK, select this option, press on OK, press on settings to stream, and you just select Twitch and paste here your copied key, press on show. Are okay? Okay, now successfully set up this. When you play any game, and you can easily live stream in this process.